Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to Codeners channel with me, with Saputra. For change better, it's only on the Codeners. And we are back to create a WordPress template. Uh, the previous tutorials we are talking about how to create a simple file in WordPress and also making a screenshot and making a style of CSS. Now, how to connect our CSS to our WordPress template. So it will need some files and some code. So we'll try to create it first. Okay, we will need functions.php, and then we can copy from the 2021 template for functions. Not all, but some code that we have to copy. For example, like this. Okay, we can make it PHP function simplify simplify yeah simplify setup. Okay, like this, and then you can see we need these elements. Okay, this is for RSS feed, and we can add to our simplify functions, and this is for the title text. So you can just place the web head on the template, then the title tag automatically read by the system. And we need a post thumbnails to make your post can be add features image from the post management. And this is for the nav menu, and you can adding this, because if we are not placing these functions, you will not see the menus tab in the WordPress. Okay, so if you see, if I'm trying to reload, there are no menus, functions, or tabs in the appearance on WordPress. So I'll try to add this. Now we'll see the difference. Okay, if you see that when I'm trying to activate this, now we can customize that. So you see that there are menu tabs here. So this is really important, and don't forget to activate these functions by adding this. So you can copy that, add actions after setup themes, and placing after the functions. So you can set it simply by setup. Setup. Okay, now if you see, now we are trying to reload, so must be file callback. Okay, simplify setup. So this actually the name, the different name. Okay, now it's changed better. Okay, now we have menus here, and also there are two locations, primary and secondary menu, that we have created in our registered nav menus. And after that, I'm trying to add some scripts. Okay, we are trying to embed our CSS to our WordPress site. So I'm trying to insert the basic structure of HTML first in the WordPress. So like this, and I'm trying to placing the web head, okay, on the head like this. Web WP head. Okay, like this. And for the filters, WP footer like this. Okay, now I'm trying to go to localhost slash WordPress, and now we'll see that we have the WordPress top navigations here, and this ready to add the CSS to our WordPress sites. And it's also generate our titles for the tab browsers. So it works. This is the functions of the add theme support title tag to replace the title tags that uh, placing here. So we just place the WP head and it's replaced with our WordPress title tag. Okay, now let's try to add CSS script on our WordPress site. So how to do that? It's very simple by typing function, then simplify scripts. Okay, now I'm trying to placing this by WP and Q style, or to make it more easier, you can install the WP IntelliSense. Okay, WordPress here. So we need the hook. Okay, okay, IntelliSense. Okay, I'm trying to install that, and also for the WordPress development here, to make it more easier to call the hook on the WordPress. So WP enqueue scripts. Okay, here you can use enqueue style to add your CSS style and name your CSS. Okay, it can be the main style. Okay, after that, this is for the place of your CSS. So the default is you can set it to get your CSS URI. So get, I'm trying to set it like get style set URI. Okay, like this, and you're done. Okay, now let's add it to add actions. Okay, add action, then place that to WP enqueue script. Okay, and then we are trying to simplify scripts. Okay, now you're done. I'm trying to test that, so just placing background on our body. So background flat, and now we are done. So we are trying to reload this, and there's a red color here on our body side, so you can modify that. And when I'm trying to reload that, the background has changed. Okay, this is for the including the CSS file to our WordPress site. So in the next video, we are trying to how to style that. So to make some looping, to insert some looping in our WordPress themes. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.